Hey there, so this time I'm making a birthday gift for my mom, which I actually finished over a month too late, so let's just call it a gift. She loves watching and feeding the birds in their garden, so I decided to make a cute little bird bath. I don't know how practical it's actually gonna be, but I do hope it works. For this project, I bought a coaster for a flower pot from the second-hand store, and I decided to make it really colorful, like a little swimming pool. I used acrylic colors for painting and a white posca marker for the lines in between the tiles. It has been a while since I posted a video. There was a lot going on in the last weeks. I actually did 4-week programming bootcamp, which I finished successfully. So in September, I'm going to start programming school. I'm really excited about that, but I'll be working part-time and going to school about 25 to 30 hours a week. So it's gonna be intense. And I still want to post videos, so I'm trying to get better and faster at actually making them because I'm very slow. To make it look extra cute, I added some pool toys. I was looking around on Pinterest. There are so many adorable designs. But then I remembered for my wedding, my mom actually found a box full of rubber ducks online, which she and my dad turned into such a fun game for the guests to play. So I definitely want to add a duck and then something a bit more simple. I used aluminium foil for shaping the duck, and so I don't need so much polymer clay, but I would recommend spending more time on this step than I did and try to make it as smooth as possible, because my duck looked very bumpy and I actually covered it a second time with white clay because I just ran out of the yellow clay. I wanted it to be cute but still simple, so flowers were the clear choice for me. Sometimes I kind of wonder what designs others would think of. What would you put in the little pool? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious about that. To add a bit more of a pool feeling, I mixed a bright blue to paint parts of the bottom of the pool. And I also paint the white dark yellow again. It's still kinda bumpy and overall a bit weird looking, but still cute, I think. To make the pool look even more pool-like, I covered those blue parts with UV resin. Make sure to wear gloves. I wear nitrile gloves and a respirator mask because I think resin can be really harmful. And I also always open the windows. Then I just have to attach the pieces. I use waterproof super glue, hopefully it's strong enough, and then it's finished. I hope you liked the video and maybe got some inspiration for your next project. And as always, feel free to ask anything in the comments, and thank you for watching. Bye!